Namaskar. I'm Harpreet Kaur and I welcome you all to our webinar series on AI tools in education. You are watching us live on PM eVIDYA channels 6 to 12 and also on our YouTube handle NCERT Official. The tool that we have taken up today is Gamma AI. Yes, we are going to learn about this tool, its relevance, how it is making an entire difference when it comes to creating the content. Also, we will give you a demonstration of this tool. We'll talk about its benefits, its challenges, and what is the way forward. If you have any questions, if you want to participate in this session, please feel free to do the same. You can give us a call on 8800440559. We also have a dedicated email ID for you, that is training.helpdesk@ciet.nic.in. And you can always write your questions, suggestions and feedback on our YouTube handle NCERT Officials, live chat box or the comment section. And today for this session, we are joined by our experts. So please welcome Ms. Sangita Panchal. Ma'am is retired PGT Computer Science from Hansraj Model School. Ma'am, namaskar and very warm welcome to the session.
Namaskar.
Now, ma'am, you'll be presenting the theory, you'll be presenting the demonstration of this tool to us. But before starting, I want to understand what this tool Gamma AI is all about, what is its relevant and what is the best feature of this tool. And maybe that's the reason probably we are covering this tool in today's session.
Okay, Manpreet. You have seen that the teachers are spending a lot of time in making a presentation. And they come out after spending hours, they come out that the presentation is not good because of the layout, how it looks, how it interacts, engage the students, or the background, the layout, everything.
Okay.
So they have to struggle with the presentation. So today I'm working with the Gamma AI tool. Now in this one, we have an AI feature. We have to just give what we want in just one line.
Okay.
And it will create a structure for you. And if you like the structure, you can say, make a presentation. It will implement the AI images and make a beautiful presentation in front of you with a beautiful background, images also, and sometimes graphics also. And if you are not interested in, you want to make some changes, you can remove the point, you can create another AI image using the AI tool. And at the end, you will come out with a stunning, interactive and professional looking presentation in minutes.
Wow.
Oh yeah, that's very important that you can prepare in minutes. Now, since I think it's going to be 6 months, I'm making a presentation where I have to give the presentation. I'm using a Gamma.app. Yeah, so
That
in
is...
1 or 2 minutes, I'll make the presentation. And after that, if I want to make some changes, I do it.
Okay.
And my presentation is ready.
That is incredible, ma'am. And I want to understand, is this tool an open and free resource, freely available to use?
Yes, yes. When you enter your Google account, it will give you the free version, which is 400 credits. And I'll tell you some details. When you make a presentation, it uses 40 credits. And if I want to use, make some changes in the content, it uses 5 credits. So for everything, it uses some credits. If your 400 credits are over, that is in the free version. We have other version also that will explain in my lecture also. And if you are if you have used all the 400 credits, you can again start with the new account and get 400 credits again.
Okay. Now, ma'am, I request you to kindly go ahead with your presentation and demonstration. Thank you so much.
Okay, friends, you can see my presentation in front of you. I have made this presentation in Gamma.app itself, not in PowerPoint, just to demonstrate all the features. So you can transform your teaching by implementing the Gamma.app. What it does, it is an innovative AI-powered platform designed to create. You can create presentations, documents, website, or social post also. No coding and no skill is required for this one.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm moving on to the next one. So you must be fed up with spending so many hours with the PowerPoint presentation. Now this is the time that you can move to this AI tool. Now, you must have faced some challenges while making the PowerPoint presentation, that it is time consuming and you struggle with to make the lesson visually engaging, and you sometimes you have to work with the PPT and sometimes you have to work with the PDF formats. So you have to struggle, you have to save it in the different formats.
Right.
Yeah. I'm moving on to the next one.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I have used some graphic design here just to show you how you can work with the Gamma.app. So this is the graphic design I have taken, and I have written few points that in Gamma.app you can create beautiful slides and documents in minutes. It's AI powered, and you can add interactive elements for student engagement also. Now, I did in just in 1 second. So you can see in my presentation also, I'm implementing different designs. All I have taken it from the Gamma.app. Now this is also one of the design that why teachers will like Gamma, because it saves the hours of work, and the presentation you get, it's professional looking presentation, and it has the interactive elements like video, images, some graphics, and you can easily share it using a link, PDF, or you can embed it online in a website. So let us start with this one. So first step is you open the Google and you will write gamma.app and you sign in with the Google account or any other email account. And if you are not sure how to work with it, you can type help.gamma.app. The help file will appear on the screen. Now, when you open this one, there are different templates that will appear. Then I'll show you one by one. Initially, if you are the first time user, these are the 4 things that appear on the screen. It will ask you, how do you plan to use Gamma? I have written for education. What type of educator are you? What do you plan to do with Gamma? And how did you help hear about us? So these are the information you have to supply. This is just for the information part to the Gamma.app. And after that, when you log in, this dashboard will appear.
Okay.
Yeah. See, I just click and you will get a bigger picture. So this dashboard will appear. You can see some of the tabs down here. These are the files that were created by me. This can be a presentation, a document, or on the right hand side we can have grid and the list.
Mm-hmm.
So all these tabs they appear in the grid mode.
All right.
I can put into the list also. I find it better, that's why it is in a grid mode. Default is in grid mode. Okay, and you can see in the Gamma, you can make a file in a 3 ways. First one is create new. It uses the AI feature. Next one is the new from blanks. And the third one is import. Now I'll show you all one by one. New from blank is that it will start the blank slides and you have to add the content.
Yeah.
The idea is that you are available here and the interactive elements are available here. You can add it and make a presentation by yourself. Import means that you are importing the file, and let us say I am importing a PowerPoint file, which is not as decorative as it should
Right.
support file and some of the interactive material.
And I think, ma'am, it is also very important basically that when you want to prepare this presentation, use this tool. As you said, it's important for teachers because it makes the presentation very catchy and interesting also, right? The I can see.
Yes.
This is the best feature. It attracts the attention
Yeah.
of the students, right?
Basically, if you already have a presentation, you can make it just
Yeah, that's right.
So I'll start with the creative. So I'll start with the first one, and that is creative. So what happens in the creative? There will be some more features.
Okay.
That's for my knowledge. Okay, so next one. If I want to see what are the packages available, this is the free package that is 400 credits. Yes.
You can just check the connectivity of your to you properly and the presentation. And meanwhile, to all my viewers, I just want to mention that this is a very important series going on where we are talking about Gamma AI. And if you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with us. Yes, ma'am. Over to you. Ma'am, it's not that better. If you can just check the settings of your connection, that would be really great, because what you are presenting right now is very important and we really do not want to miss any bit of it. And you were mentioning in the beginning also that we get some of the credits free. I think that's what your PPT says here, that some of the credits we get free and other we have to, for other credits, I think we need to purchase them so that we can access all the features of this Gamma AI tool, right? Yes. And I think it happens with every other app or every other AI tool, because when we are using these AI tools, we want to make sure that whatever content we are creating or presentations we are making, they should be very catchy and interesting, because AI tools help you not only prepare the presentations well, but they also give access to a whole lot of features if you want to include images, animations or anything of that sort, because generally when you fetch images from the internet, you at times confront the copyright issue. But when it is created by AI, it's a whole new thing for you, and it makes the thing easier, the task easier as well. Because yesterday also we talked about perplexity.ai, today we are talking about gamma.ai. The entire purpose of this webinar series is that you understand the importance of these artificial intelligence tools, because AI is the need of the hour, it is the future. And what all features you can access, just make sure that you have stable internet connection if you want to access all the features, and if you want to access advanced features, you can definitely purchase them. But most of the features or most of the apps that are available, they're very I would say like freely accessible. It's one of the open resources which teachers can use, which students can use, and I think when you have presentations or PPTs in place, you can make the chapter really interesting. Now there are certain emerging trends also when it comes to these AI tools, and there are different benefits and there are certain challenges. In this session we will be talking about limitations also, we'll be talking about challenges also. But whatever we have learned so far, we can see that generally the kind of problems we confront while making the PowerPoint presentations with AI tools, things have become far more easier for us. And at times when we talk about digital education, we know that National Education Policy 2020 is also focusing on the same. So when we talk about digital education, these AI tools play a very, very important role. Now let's go back to our expert and try to understand it more. Ma'am, over to you. Kindly go ahead with the rest of the presentation, because demonstration is also about to come our way. Yes.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. It's better now.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'll start with this one.
Please.
Now you can see there are the other two versions, that is the Plus and the Pro, and then the amount you have to pay per month. So if you are interested, if you really like it, you can go for the Plus or the Pro. Otherwise, you can go for the free version. And if the points are over, then the same you can start with a new account.
Okay.
Yeah. On the right hand side, you can see Get Unlimited AI. So from here, I have shown you the screen for the Pro and the new version. I think I have to stop and start again. I think so.
No problem, ma'am. You can do that. You can start again. And I just want to tell all my viewers that Gamma AI is basically an artificial intelligence powered tool designed to help users create stunning presentations, websites and social media posts effortlessly. And I think what I have gathered so far from this entire conversation is that it has some unique features. Let's talk about instant presentation generation. Like, it transforms text into dynamic presentations in minutes using Gamma's smart templates and blocks. Then of course, you can have AI powered content creation also. Here Gamma's AI suggests layouts, designs and visuals based on your content streamlining and creation process. I think another important feature is the customization option. That's really great, because you can import your brands or choose from I think 100 plus themes. Then we have different tools through which you can edit your content also. And lastly, it is also about collaboration and sharing. Now, you can collaborate in real time. You can export to PPT, PDF, PNG or Google Slides and track engagement metrics. Now, what are the benefits? Yes, we had learned about the features. Now, let's talk about the benefits. It saves time. Gamma AI helps you create professional presentations 10 times faster than manual creations. The design is effortless and it increases productivity, and there are certain pricing plans also which you can buy. Now our expert is there with us to shed more insights on the same. Over to you, ma'am.
You see my presentation. Now I'm moving on to the PowerPoint because I have some internet problems. So I think let's not waste time and move on further. Yes. So here we have three options. You can say create new. So when you move on to the create new, you have three options. Create new using the AI, and paste option and generate option. I'll show you this again. Create new using AI, new from blank, and import. This we have already covered. Now the next one is, when I say create new AI, we have again three options: paste text, generate, and import file. Now, paste text and import file is exactly the same what we have in the previous screen. But here, if I say generate, it will generate automatically in 1 minute. So this is very important because it uses the features of AI. Now, this is the screen what we get: paste in text, generate, and import file or URL. So, paste in text. Now, this is very important. What you can create here? You can create presentation, web page, document, and social media post. This you can create. If I'm working with paste in text, so what it does, it asks me to paste the text here. There is a text box here. I'll paste my text here. When I scroll down, I'll get three, the radio buttons options: generate from notes or an outline, summarize long text or document, preserve this exact text. So I'll click on preserve this exact text and then generate. The last button will start and we'll continue with this one. Then we have import from URL. So if you import from URL, there are different options available. You can see upload a file. We can upload a file, any file, PowerPoint file we have already prepared, Word doc, PDF. We can import from the drive also, and we can import from the URL also. But the most important is generate. Now by default it generates, here we call each slide as cards. So by default it generates 10 cards. Now we can change this number, we can say to generate 8 cards and so on. So in the free version, it generates the 10 cards. And if you have more information, you can add the card by yourself and add the content. So when I say generate, in the generate, let us say I'm interested in the presentation. So I have written create a presentation on photosynthesis, and I mentioned for which class. It is for general photosynthesis or for a specified audience. So for class 5 students, I'll say generate or outline. So it will generate the outline for me. You can see for each card, I'll get the outline. And if I like the outline, I'll say generate. If I don't like, I'll just remove it. I can remove any bullet also, and I can write my own content. And if I'm satisfied, I'll click on generate. So see, this is generated. So I have made this presentation on photosynthesis. This is generated, and I'll get it on the screen. And you can see on the left hand side, I'll get the series of cards, what I have generated. On the right hand side, it is hidden behind this one. I'll have some interacting material. So I'll tell you later also what is this. Now, if you see that these cards are not in order, so we can simply click and drag it. If you want to drag more than one card, then use a shift key for selection and then drag. So the order of the card is placed. And after that, you can add images and media, this one if you want. What you can add? You can add any image, or you can create the image by the AI and add it. You can add YouTube video, charts, Google Forms also, and more. And everything is available. You just click on what you want to add. All the information appear on the right hand side. So this is what you have. You can see on the right hand side, these are the interactive material you can add with the ease. Now this is, let us say, it will show it's a video, the card template, smart layout, basic blocks, images, video, apps you can embed, charts you can embed, smart diagrams, and forms and buttons you can add. So you can simply add a card and you can add this interactive material also. Now, if you finish with this, that is by putting the card in the order and by adding the interactive material, by adding another cards beyond 8 or 10, there are 3 things that appear on the top: theme, share, and present. Let us do one by one. Theme. Now the theme is appear. If you want to change, you just click it, you get a new theme. You can import the theme also. Then we have share. Under the share, we have 4 options: collaborate, share, export, and embed. Collaborate. If you want that your 2 or 3 people work with your presentation, you can collaborate. You can write the email of those, and the workspace members, you change no access to add it, and then copy the link and send it to them. So they come, their pointer will come, you will see their pointer on your presentation. Then share. You can share this with anyone with the link. You can share. The main thing is you can export this. Once you make this cards, you can export to PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slides, export as PNG, or you can post directly to LinkedIn. This is the new feature that is added. Or you can embed this code to any website. So this presentation will come there. And the presentation I can show, you can present from the Gamma.app. Initially I was showing because of the internet connection, I have to move on to the other alternative. So here we have the presenter view. So in the presenter view, you can write notes as in the PowerPoint. And here also we have a share a follow link. The link you can share to your audience. And when you start presenting, you can see at the bottom, this blue color and this white color, these are the cards that will lie down at the bottom. So you just click the card and move there. Right? This appear as a tab at the bottom. So this is the way you present the presentation. Now, what is the benefit of this? It saves a lot of time. And the next one is the creativity also. It helps in making the project, making lesson plans for teaching purpose. And the idea behind it that you can engage students by putting some interactive material in your presentation. And again, by ease. I have shown you the two options, that the copy paste and then import. Now in this case, you can take your previous presentation or the document and do it, add some interactive material and make it as a stunning presentation or the document. So the simple steps, import from the already existing file, add the interactive material, and you can add the dynamic charts, diagrams and the tables to make it more informative. At the end, I'll say that it will save your time and it will enhance the quality of the presentation, and I want you to try it free today and experience the difference by yourself. Thank you so much. Now, I have done this one and I have explained you features, but now I'll show you how you do it practically, and we try to make one presentation in front of you. So what I'll do, I'll go in Google first.
Okay. And I think it's important to learn about the theory first before you jump to the presentations. And now we
Not exactly, because I have shown you all the things that is available. Now we are directly move on to the practical part.
Right. Yes.
We know about everything, the credits, the versions, how to do it. So let us make one presentation.
Okay. And is there any particular topic you have in your mind?
Yeah, I have. Or if you want to give me yours, and so I could do it. So I have written some of the topics here.
Okay.
Actually, it's for the class 5 students. So it is like how to stay safe from cyberbullying for class 5 students, or privacy in digital age.
Yeah. And
Right.
of course, we can also have 7 wonders of the world as a topic.
Yeah, sure. That is okay. Yeah, that is.
Because I think let's take our students to this journey on this world tour through Gamma AI.
Yes.
Gamma.app.
Yeah. And ma'am, do we need to sign up also?
Yeah. I have already signed in. We have to sign in using the better to do it with a Google. But I have already signed it.
Okay.
So my dashboard will appear here.
Okay. So ma'am, is the page ready to be opened?
Not yet.
Okay. And ma'am, I was also, when I was going through this Gamma AI, and of course through the theory part that you made us understand also, I want to know that it is talking about personalizing education. Since we're always talking about inclusivity, we have diverse learners with diverse learning styles. So I think we can customize our presentations according to their needs also.
Yes. We can do it.
Okay.
And it is done in just a few minutes. So the teacher can put some effort and make a presentation for some students, especially in a different way.
But ma'am, is there any limitation of using the app?
No, only the credits.
Only the credits, okay.
Credits you have to take care of, because when I give a command to make a presentation, it uses 40 credits.
And I can use any IoT device for this app?
Yes.
It can run on any of the IoT devices, right?
Right.
Okay.
So I'll say create new.
Because these days we are talking about micro learning and nano learning also. You know, it's about making education accessible through these very short videos and presentations, and I think here tools like Gamma AI can play a very important or significant role.
Right. And I think if there are 2 or 3 students in a class, the teacher can put some effort and make some different presentation for them.
Yes. And once a student is ready to learn about this app and is well versed with its features, I think even they can get certain assignments so which they can take the topics of their choices or any topic for that matter in the world and create a beautiful presentation of it.
Yeah, and I know that the students can make better than us.
Yes, of course.
Because they are, all AI friendly. So what do you want me to do? Which
So
one?
ma'am, I think 7 wonders of the world. Let's take this and let's have a beautiful presentation on it.
Create a presentation.
And you can get any random topic and you can be ready with the presentation, right? Nothing is difficult for Gamma AI. Okay, great. I'm curious to see what kind of presentation it will be.
Yeah. Should I say for class 5 students?
Of course, please. And all our viewers who are watching us, please take a note of it. You can also make beautiful presentations. Just think about the topics and you are good to go with Gamma AI.
I'll click on generate outline.
Okay.
It will take 1 minute to give me the outline. And then I have to make sure if I don't like any one of the point, I can make changes or I can delete the card if I want.
Okay.
And it makes how many cards? 10 cards.
Okay. So ma'am, while you are in the process of creating this presentation, can we also have a look at it?
Yeah. It's on the screen.
No ma'am, it's not visible to us.
Okay.
We are getting the PPT only. We are not getting this entire demonstration that you are in right now.
Only the PPT. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll remove the PPT from there.
Yes. And please make the settings for the demonstration to be visible. And it's an exciting opportunity for all of us to learn about Gamma AI because I think this webinar series is extremely important. Previously, we have talked about different ET and ICT tools, and this time we are talking about AI tools in education. And I already mentioned in the beginning that AI and AI driven tools, they're a big revolution in educational scenario these days, because when we talk about micro learning and nano learning, we need to be very particular about what we want to present. And here comes the screen, and we can get the entire information how ma'am is preparing it and how you can also prepare.
Can you see it on the screen?
Yes ma'am, now it's pretty much visible.
Cards.
Yeah, the cards are there.
The cards that's available.
Yeah.
So let us not change anything.
Okay.
I'm satisfied with this one. So I'll click on generate.
Okay, yes.
While generating, what it does, it uses AI images also. And for that, it uses the credits.
Okay. And you put the inputs, like you put the names of the wonders, or it fetched the names automatically?
I simply have written the 7 wonders of the world for the class 5 students.
Okay.
Let us see how it does.
Yes.
And even though it prepared a presentation for you and you don't like anything, you can just remove and put something of your choice.
Oh wow, lovely.
Try to put some of the things here. Let us see. Okay.
Wow.
I just scroll. Yeah, this is how much time it take. Just less than a minute, right?
Yes, yeah, few seconds. Yes, you're right.
See, I have written just create a presentation of the 7 wonders of the world, class 5 students, because I want the language to be easy.
Yeah.
So that you can understand. So see, this is the first card, second card, third. And if you don't like anything, suppose I don't like this card, right? I don't like this card. I just click on this one. And you can see the various symbol at the top.
Yes, yes.
Hit the card and copy card link, copy to somewhere else, in some other.
You can, drag and put it somewhere, place it somewhere else.
Suppose if I don't like this, although the information is very good, I'll just delete it, right?
Okay.
I want to put something else. I want to put something else. You can see when I bring my pointer, it says plus. Add blank card. Add blank card. Various options are here. What I want to add. See? So these are the various options.
Can I add music also?
Music is not here.
Okay.
Music is not here.
Okay.
It can be, even the options are not here for the music.
Okay.
No. Okay. So I can put an image here. The heading is here. And there is one hack. You click somewhere. Okay, I'll get a point. I'll get a point when I put slash. Okay. It's not giving me all options. Okay, these are, when you try to put some text, these are the options that are available. But with the slash, I think, one time more. Okay, it is not giving me anything. Okay, you can start typing here. Let us say basic blocks is here. I can take any of the block, let us say title block. So you can see I can write in a bigger font. Or for the image, let us say I want to upload an image. I just paste the URL here.
Okay.
Or I say click to upload. Or drag a file here. It will upload for me. So let us say if I have something, click to upload. Let us say I'm making some gamma screenshots. I just want to show you. See, the file will come here.
Yes.
And it is so easy. It will come immediately. I'll show you a few more. Let us say I want to add. Let us add one more card. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, I can.
I want to add one more card. Let us say I want to add some video, YouTube video.
Okay.
I already have pasted some this one because I'm just Control C and I'll just paste it there. Okay, I'm saying YouTube video and I have taken from somewhere else. No, it will not load.
Okay.
I have to take some YouTube video. Let us see if I can find something.
Yeah, we can try.
Yeah. YouTube video. Yes, this one. This one. Control C.
So you can embed these videos in the PPT itself.
Yeah,
the links.
Yeah. Yes, I have. And go. Actually, I was doing it for how to take care of the environment.
Okay, but yeah, but you can actually try to include these videos. Like
how it is done.
and see how it goes.
Yeah. And if I see, you can play it also.
Wow. And it's so easy to access all the features.
Yes, yes. There is one more feature I would like to tell you.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
You know, I was asking you about the music. Can we add the music? Though we cannot add it directly, but we still have this YouTube feature.
yeah.
So somewhere we
Yeah.
can access the music.
You can add which has some music.
Yeah.
So, charts and diagrams.
Okay.
Let us say charts and diagrams I have to do.
All right. Now that's interesting.
Yeah. I have some data. Let us say column chart. I'll just drag it. So there is some file also.
Yeah.
I can make changes in the file.
It's
Edit chart.
it's a
Edit
bar
chart
graph.
data.
Yeah.
So edit chart data.
Okay.
So I have noted down some of the pollution data of. Let us see how it appears.
Okay. So you just put the data and the chart is created, right?
Right.
So we can have pie diagrams also. We have these bar graphs.
You can immediately change it to, you can see, once you add the data, you will get a line chart.
Oh, wow.
Scatter chart.
A pie chart. Yeah. That's very nice, interesting. I mean, there is no need to actually panic if you want to include so many features in your PowerPoint presentations, because there is one tool that is offering everything, almost everything. It's a one-stop solution for all.
Yes. And one thing more, I have a, I just stopped this one, I can add a form also.
Like
I can add a form also.
Like if I want to add some figure or some statistics, like the kind of footfall we have in different tourist attractions, we can create a pie chart for the same also.
Yes. And it comes out to be very beautifully on the screen.
Yes, it does.
And there is one more feature, and that is the form. I think it is hidden behind it. Sometimes internet connection stops you.
That's important.
Yeah. At the end, there is a form feature also. And again, when you click, you have to add the URL. So I have made a Google form and I have added this one. So I'll get a beautiful form on one of the cards.
Okay.
So here the student can fill up the information. So I have written the name of the student and take pledge for saving environment. So, and write the pledge. So all the students, they have written the pledge in the text box and submit. We have some smart layout also.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you can show us some.
Yeah. This I have introduced in the presentation. I have shown you in the presentation also. You can introduce anyone and just write the content. Like ideas, I want to put in this one, just drag it and write the content. So I think you can make the presentation beautiful, stunning, interactive, and the student want to see it. Because in every page or every card, you will have one image or the other. I'm not, I think it is, let us say, it is Google form. Let us drag it somewhere. I think the net connection is low. It is not.
But we've got a fair idea of how we can access all the options.
But you got the idea how you do it.
Of course, and I think it is very important for the students to now access all the features that they have got the entire idea of how to use Gamma AI. We are also left with very little time, ma'am. So I just want to ask you if there is anything else that you would like to present in this demonstration, or if you want to say something to your students.
I have completed everything. And what are the special features they have to try by themselves and try to put it in a presentation. And I think by the, this is the end of the session, I think the Gamma saves the time, reduce the workload of the teacher, and it creates a lesson plan that stands out.
That is quite interesting and incredible. I'm myself liking this tool very much. I think I'm definitely going to use it and create a PowerPoint presentation of my own choice, and this will definitely give better results. Ma'am, because we are running short of time, we have to end the session over here, but I must thank you for your contribution to the session and what all features you have showed us, and the theory part that we have learned. I think it's easier, it's very easy to use this AI tool, and it is definitely going to make the sessions really interesting, content really creative, and it will give teachers and students both a chance to understand the concepts in a totally new light. So thank you so much for your presence. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And viewers, that was our very interesting webinar series where we are talking about AI tools in education. Today we talked about Gamma AI. I hope you got a fair idea of how you can use this tool. Yes, it is for free, and there are certain features also. If you want to access them, you can buy them, but overall it's a wonderful tool to create presentations of your choice. We see how we can include charts in there, we can include YouTube links, we can play the videos, and we can embed everything in this PPT and make it very interesting. I think when it comes to make teaching, learning a very interesting and creative process, such tools, they come handy and play a significant role. Now here I am closing this session, but I have to tell you that in this entire week we will be bringing some more important tools, so please stay tuned, and if you have questions, queries, you can always get in touch with us through various mediums. Now, before I finally leave the studio, it's time to tell you about the upcoming programs and certain more things. So let's start with the schedule first. Yes, in a short while from now, you can watch our sessions here where we will be talking about challenging self-doubt. So don't keep any doubt and challenge yourself, come out of your comfort zone and be the real you. And apart from that, let me tell you very quickly about the textbooks also. They are available on Amazon, Flipkart and NCERT website. I'm talking about grade 4 and 7. You can purchase them, pick the topics from there and create a presentation of your choice using Gamma AI. With this as a wrap, this is me, Harpreet Kaur, taking leave of you. Namaskar.